Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got 2008 Aveo and customer states the car lights were not working. Means when you turn on the light from inside, right? So there was no interior light on, and these were not on for the one side, and that light also wasn't working, and these side marker lights, these were also not working. So basically only one side light is working and one side is not working. And interior lights, there was no light in the dashboard, right? There is no light over there, nothing over there. So upon checking, we find out that in this fuse box, that mostly happen in 2008, 9, 10 Aveo, right? You guys can see that thing was blown. All the wires inside of it was blown. So basically what we have to do, we have to pull it out, right? There's one screw 10 mm over there, and you can pull it out, that fuse box, right? And there are some locks, you can open it from the side, as you can see, that thing over there. So just take it out, and I'm gonna attach a screenshot, right? And on this screenshot you guys can see which one you have to solder together. So the wires inside of that, you have to cut it down, right? And you have to solder all the wires by looking at my screenshot, which I'm gonna attach in this video, right? And after that, after putting all this together, we solder these wires, splice them down, and add some splicer, and then we put some tape on that. And after that, customer like, oh, my lights are working perfectly. So if you guys have that issue in your Aveo, especially in Aveo, just make sure, check that fuse. If that one is burnt, just pull it out, cut the wires, check out my screenshot which I'm gonna add in this video, and you can splice them together, and boom, your all lights gonna work together. So thank you guys. I can't show you the video how to do it because I already did it, right? And I forgot to make a video. So it's pretty simple. Just take it out, cut it, splice it, solder them together, put a tape on that, put everything back, and then boom, you are good to go. Make sure, if you are doing this, make sure remove negative terminal of your battery so that you don't short circuit anything in the car. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that helps.